Hey guys, we got a UFO over there. It looks very cool. We don't know if it's a boat or not. You see that one over there, those two lights? Let's see if I can get that. Let's see if I can get this one too. Oh, not bright enough. Light one out. Oh my god. Over there it's flickering. I don't think you guys can see that really well. There's light on over there too. I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, that's interview yourself. What is your name? What's your name? Oh, I see it. I caught one over there. I caught one.
You want to know my name? Tara Alone.
Nice, dude. Nice,
Tara Alone.
Nice.
What?
Two of them went on over there. Holy crap, what a big UFO that is. Whoa! And it's flickering. Like a UFO invasion, guys. I don't know what the heck. What this is. We should put this on the news. If you want to upload this video,